Hello, my name is Courtney and I work for the Sonoma County Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make this week's Take It Make It kit, which is the DIY puzzle. Your materials include a set of markers, a blank puzzle, and your creative talents. Remember to keep your puzzle intact because you are going to decorate it. Think about what you want your puzzle to look like. Do you want to draw simple shapes like circles or hearts? Or do you want to draw something more complex like a face or a cat? Do you want lots of colors or just a few? The puzzle aficionados that I know love puzzles with bold colors and a distinct border. You can practice your drawing ahead of time on a sheet of paper. There are lots of drawing books for young people at the library in the children's nonfiction section, Dewey Decimal Numbers J741 through J743. You can also use the internet. I found this popcorn doodle by Googling Draw Hawaii Step by Step. Once your puzzle art is complete, let it sit and dry for about 5 minutes. It might be a good idea to take a picture of your puzzle before you take it apart, just in case you need a reference for later. When you're ready, take apart your puzzle and have fun putting it back together. Here are some helpful puzzling techniques. Match like colors and lines together. You can group up the little pieces and then figure out which pieces form the border. Want some entertainment as you connect your puzzle pieces? Visit sonomalibrary.org to access Hoopla for music, Canopy for movies, and Overdrive/Libby for audiobooks. And always remember to ask a librarian. Happy summer!